Unlocking the Mystery of Blank Out, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for you. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, blank out. If you've ever found yourself in a conversation or a situation where this term popped up and left you scratching your head, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and decode this phrase together. When someone says they blank out, they're referring to a moment where they forget something suddenly or can't think clearly. Imagine your mind is like a whiteboard, and suddenly, it's wiped clean. That's exactly the kind of moment blank out describes. It's like a temporary glitch in your memory or thought process. Examples in a sentence. I knew the answer yesterday, but now I'm blanking out. During the interview, I blanked out and forgot everything I had prepared. Blank out can be used in various situations. Let's look at a few. 1. During exams, it's common for students to blank out when they see a difficult question, even if they studied hard. 2. Stressful situations. Under stress, people might blank out and forget essential details. 3. Everyday conversations. Sometimes, we blank out while speaking, losing track of our thoughts or what we wanted to say. It's important to note that blank out is informal and is usually used in casual conversation or personal narratives. In English, we love our synonyms. Here are a few phrases that have a similar meaning to blank out. Draw a blank. This means to fail to remember something. Space out, often used when someone loses concentration or focus. Zone out, similar to space out, but it can also imply a longer period of not paying attention. Remember, while these phrases are similar, they are not always interchangeable. The context matters. While we can't always prevent these mental hiccups, here are some tips to reduce the chances of blanking out. Stay calm. Anxiety can trigger a blank out, so try to stay relaxed. Get enough sleep. A well-rested brain is less likely to blank out. Practice mindfulness. Being present in the moment can help maintain your focus. These strategies can help keep your mind sharp and reduce the frequency of those blank out moments. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, blank out. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting expression and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Don't worry if you still blank out sometimes, it happens to the best of us. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.